but I do deny you the right to audio tape me.
You're denying me the right to audio tape you under what section, please?
632. So,
Here it is. Now here it is, section 632. Can you show me where on 632? No, I won't until...
I don't have to show you anything.
You don't? Okay, well then let me read what it says under
Okay,
632.
You read whatever you like.
Thank you. Okay, 632. Here we go. Confidential communication. They're telling me that I cannot video record because it's confidential. A confidential communication for the purposes of Penal Code 632 need not fall within an evidentiary privilege. Rather, the term includes any communication carried on in circumstances as may be reasonably indicate that any party to the communications desires it to be confined to the parties, but excludes a communication made in a public gathering or any other circumstance in which the parties to the communications may reasonably expect that the communication be overheard or recorded. Well, this is, right here, a public place, a public hospital, seeking public services. So there it is. There it is. 632 is actually the wiretapping act for covert, wiretapping, but it has nothing to do with video recording. Now, mind you, that was the same officer who priorly had threatened to just arrest me, even though I'd already been bogusly arrested 11/27/13 under section 632, supposedly resisting arrest and trespassing on a public hospital seeking public services, which naturally, of course, the charges were dropped. I was never allowed to go in front of a judge to explain the law-breaking activity by the Department of Public Health, San Francisco General, and the willing accomplices, the San Francisco Sheriff's Department. I had no due process. So, are we learning the games, folks? Are we watching the inhumanity? Another good question is, where is their disability sensitivity training? It's very interesting. Well, I was told that Mr. Wong would be helping me. It is now 9:30. I'm still waiting. It's really amazing how, the law can be broken against me. Well, where do I press charges? Where do I have the lawbreakers arrested? Who enforces medical law? Okay, let's just continue. So, the police officer, you saw him right here, tell me that he didn't give me his permission to audio record him. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing? Wonderful when your law enforcement officers don't have to follow the law, quote you incorrect law, and further abuse you. Let me say it again. Further abuse you. Let me say it for a third time. Further abuse you. Okay, I'll turn this off and continue to wait.